Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to use the highlighter effect on your selfies on the AirBrush application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, tap on the camera icon to take a picture, or to the library button and select a photo from your gallery. Tap on the retouch section down below, which is the second option. Slide to the right side of the screen until you find the highlighter button. So tap on it, and then you should select the brush size by tapping on the second button and use the scale to select the right one. And after that you should zoom in and adjust the brush size for more precise control. Then brush across the skin areas to apply this highlighter filter or function. If you want to erase the changes, tap on the eraser button and it will be reset to the original copy. If you want to save your changes, tap on the check mark icon down below to save your changes. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.